Okay, good morning, everybody. How are you today? I hope that you all in a good condition also. Okay, this morning we would like to discuss about the material. Okay, our material today is about synonym. Actually, we ever discussed it maybe a few weeks ago. Like we discussed about the relationship also, and synonym is one of the material that including of the relationship. Okay, talking about synonym. What do you think about synonym, guys? Can you mention in about your opinion here?
In my opinion, synonym are two different words which have the same or very similar meaning. They can be part of speech. Example verb, adjective, adverb, noun, or preposition.
Okay, is there any opinion others here maybe, my friends? Could you mention it? Yes, I think so. Because as we know that synonym is like in Indonesia persamaan kata gitu ya. So it means that uh, in English also has the name also is synonym. As we know, maybe we often find many synonyms in our conversation in everyday maybe, and also maybe we often use the synonym also sometimes in answering question when we do the question like in reading and maybe others. So can you mention it maybe the example about the synonym also?
The example synonym like smart, intelligent, clever, and then dumb, stupid, slow, and then learn, study.
Yeah, the next maybe animal, plant, leaf, tears, claters, meat, and bat.
Yeah, I think it is good. I think that it is right because as we know that when we talk about synonym, we can separate it with material Indonesia. Seperti yang kita ketahui ya teman-teman, sinonim itu kan persamaan kata ya. Jadi di mana itu it has different word, but it has a same meaning. So like the example that you mentioned last time from the Afif, it is the good example also. And then Ayu also give the example. And for me myself, talking about synonym is like I will give you some example also. The first one is about Jack is seaman. Seaman is the meaning seorang pelaut, right? And we can mention seorang pelaut in the other words like sailor. So seaman and sailor it has a different word, but actually it has a same in meaning. And maybe we will find many words is not only seaman and other.
Sedikit tambahan juga teman-teman. The way to define synonym, there are three limitations that can be expressed. 1. Words with reference to the sub-extralinguistic. Jadi maksudnya itu kata-kata dengan mengacu pada extralinguistic yang sama. Contohnya itu mampus dan mati. Ya. Words with the same meaning or meaning. Contohnya itu kayak mengatakan dan mengucapkan. And 3. Words that can be substituted with the same context. Jadi kata-kata yang bisa disubstitusi dengan konteks yang sama. Contohnya itu, you will try to study hard and we will try to study hard. Kamu akan berusaha.
Oh yeah, okay. While waiting for others, maybe that we have known about the synonyms. Maybe is there any something that make us confused, or you are still confused about synonym? Maybe you can share here, and maybe we can discuss it. Maybe which one is hasn't been understood, so that we can talk it. But
I want to ask how to make sentences with synonyms because it is make me confused.
okay, thank you very much, Ayu. Maybe Afif or maybe the others, do you wanna answer the Ayu's question? Or maybe you wanna respond it? It's okay if you wanna respond it.
Okay, to make it easier to understand synonyms, here are examples of using synonyms in English sentence. I give you some sentence. The first, I normally cried when she's gone. And then I almost cried when she's gone. Normally and cried, this is the same meaning. And then the next, you look so mixed up right now. And then you look so confused right now. This is from this sentence, mixed up and confused, the same meaning.
In my opinion, synonyms are different words which have the same meaning or almost the same meaning. The words stones and rocks are synonyms, I think. Synonyms, I think, can be nouns, verbs, adverbs, or adjectives, as long as both are the same part of speech. For example, chair and sit is a nouns. Go and leave is a verbs. Quickly and rapidly is the adverbs. Long and extent is the adjectives. I think synonym need not be single word as in war and armed conflict.
Jadi kata-kata ini memiliki arti yang sama dan bisa digunakan dalam kalimat yang sama. Namun ada beberapa kata yang memiliki arti sama namun tidak bisa digunakan dalam kalimat yang sama. Contohnya seperti look and see. Dia seperti look and see. Nah, look and see ini kan artinya melihat. Ketika mereka ditempatkan di kalimat yang sama, hasilnya menjadi kurang pas. This is sentence from word look and see. Okay. The sentence, can you look at the picture? And then, do you see something wrong in there? Nah, dilihat dari kedua kalimat tersebut, kedua kata tersebut memiliki arti yang sama, tetapi ketika digunakan dalam kalimat yang sama, kata see tidak cocok digunakan. Okay? Therefore the vocabulary and understanding of word also need to be depend so that they are not mistaken. I think that for me.